going to some place and it's a surprise because even I don't know. Come on. Hi guys, we ate our breakfast in our most trusty restaurant and now we're almost there. Back there. I'll show you while going back. Looky guys, this is the arch that I was talking about. This is the first hydroelectric project in Asia. All the crazy things I'm seeing right now. Most of the houses here are abandoned, I guess. Abandoned house be like. Parking. Guys, look at the banyan trees. Oh, we're here actually. Guys, we're here. Guys, look how many people have come to see the iconic beauty of nature. It's filled, like literally filled. Okay, besties, buckle up because we're about to experience the most iconic, the legendary Shivanasamudra Falls. It's a double drama drop situation. On one side, we got the Gaganachukki like I'm 90 meters tall, respectively. And on the other, there's Bharachukkis like I'm 69 meters of pure main character energy. They're not just waterfalls, they're water fabulous. And guess who's powering them up with main character energy? Our queen, Kaveri. This waterfall is right between Mandya and Chamarajanagara. The two districts are literally like, you take this up and I'll take this up. We both win. If you haven't visited this place, literally, what are you doing? Grab your crocs, grab your bestie and get drenched, emotionally and literally. Because this isn't just a trip, this is a water fabulous vacation. The name's right there and the building is also right there. You can see. There's also a swing, slide and a seesaw here. There's also